Next section, mental retardation, MR. Can you define mental retardation? Intellectual disability, once called mental retardation, is characterized by below average intelligence or mental ability and a lack of skills necessary for day-to-day lives. It is disorder diagnosed before age 18. Signs of intellectual disability: rolling over, sitting up, crawling or walking late, talking late or having trouble with talking, slow to training, dressing and feeding self, difficulty remembering things, inability to connect actions with consequences, behavior problems such as explosive irritabilities, difficulty with problem solving. Causes of intellectual disability: genetic conditions like Down syndrome and Fragile X syndrome. Problems during pregnancy: things that can interfere with fetal brain development include alcohol or drug use, malnutrition, certain infections, problems during childbirth: deprived of oxygen during childbirth or born premature, illness or injury, severe head injury, near drowning, extreme malnutrition, infections in the brain, exposure to toxic substances. None of the above in 2/3 of all intellectual disability. The cause is unknown. Types of mental retardation: first type, mild mental retardation. Approximately 85% of mentally retarded population is in the mildly retarded category. This IQ score range from 50 to 70. Second, moderate mental retardation. About 10% in MR population. Moderately retarded person have IQ score range from 35 to 55. They can carry out work and self-care tasks with moderate supervision. Third type, severe mental retardation. About 3 to 4% in MR population. Severely retarded person have IQ score 20 to 40. They may master very basic self-care skills and some communication skills. Mentally gifted. Who is mentally gifted? Any child who is naturally endowed with a high degree of general mental ability, extraordinary ability in a specific sphere of activity or knowledge, is an intelligence quotient IQ of 130 or above. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.